everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have two different jobs from two different companies to discuss, one from Cognizant, the other from Capgemini. So let's see what are those in detail. So first I'm starting with Cognizant. So they are hiring for the process executive, location is Hyderabad and Telangana. So now, before moving to the further details of that, I would like to introduce you something that is an initiative by An Academy. So An Academy, they come up with so much of useful stuffs. So now there is a category in Academy for the career as a software developer. So they are providing full aid for all the people who are wishing or who are leaping forward to start your career as a software developer. So these are the events that they are putting forward. Apart from this, there are so much events as well. So now, if these are the presenters of the shows, you can see from the DJs itself, you can just know about them, that they are directly, people directly from the industry themselves. They have immense experience in the software developer field. So that will definitely help you to guide through. Okay. So in this link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and go to their website and explore this website by yourself, know about the various events that is about to happen and the people who are presenting that events, who are the host of that event and what they do. Everything is transparently shown there. Okay, so to subscribe for the same, you can go with this get subscription button and continue with the subscription. So the total package is for $999, but you don't have to pay that much. You can just use the code pratikkumar.125, our coupon code, to get 10% of discount. So instead of 83 rupees per month, you just have to pay 75 rupees per month only. So in 1 month, every day you have events. So this money is actually worth. Okay, so this is actually worth it a lot. Okay, so now the events that is about to happen, upcoming event is on Saturday, that is tomorrow afternoon 4 p.m. So it is about analyzing the application Instagram. So Instagram, Google, Facebook and everything is a software code companies that is the topmost list in the world. So this knowledge on the same will definitely help you to get through the industry and know about the further details on the same. And you can see this is the weekly schedule for the events that you'll be getting once you subscribe to that. So every days in a week is packed with so many events, especially concentrating on weekends, so that won't clash up with your graduation or your classes that's happening. So there is so much events. From this itself, you will get the complete list of events that is available. And also, as I've mentioned, like apart from the interview preparation or reviewing your college projects or giving the technical, architecture of the big fan companies, apart from that, the classes on cloud computing, blockchain, crypto, everything is also available. So you will get to introduce the technologies or the fields that is emerging or very burning right now. Okay, so this is a very good exposure. This opportunity will give you a very good exposure about the software development career. You know that the syllabus knowledge is not at all enough to get into the industry, to master the industry that you're working in. So make use of these kind of opportunities available for the same and start with your career without any inhibitions. Okay, so guys, make use of the link that I've mentioned in the description and go with that and register yourself and enjoy everything that they are providing and start your career successfully. So now let's move on to the job opening available. So first we have an opening from Cognizant as process executive, data, location is Hyderabad, Telangana. So yes, moving on to the qualification criteria. So they have provided exclusion criteria, that is BE, BTech, MCA or high school graduate or above as may be applicable in the GEO. Okay, that's an exclusion criteria. And now you can just go through these many details. Okay, that is stakeholders, business management, web design, everything, to know about more about the job role that you will be handling. And here you can see the must-have skills, that is eligibility criteria. So customer service, then online or digital marketing is what they're saying. So good communication skill is required, then marketing knowledge is required. So these are about it. Okay, so employment status will be, it's a full-time employment job. It's day shift. You don't need to travel. You can just work from your home itself now, as if everything is work from home now. Now, yes, to apply for that, you can just click on this apply now button and continue with your application process. So we can proceed. Then you have to upload your resume. So when it comes to resume, this opening is kind of a customer service job. So customize your resume with respect to that. Don't give a resume that is applicable or for the developer job or software engineer kind of job. So you will be overqualified to this. Okay. So they don't want you to know about the languages, programming languages, so that you can provide, but that is not to be highlighted. The thing that you should highlight is the digital marketing, online marketing, or else communication skills, strength, weakness. That is what you have to highlight. And personal information, you can just give it here, then skill set, then you will have your education details on next page. That's all. Okay. So submit this accordingly. So now coming to the batches available for this job, this is applicable for 19, 20, and 21 pass out. So 22 pass out, since you have few more time to pass out, you are not immediately available. This is not applicable for you. And the package available is obviously 3.5 plus LPS. Okay. So I think all the details regarding Cognizant is delivered right now. So now let's move on to the other job, which is at Capgemini. So they are hiring for the software engineer fresher. So its location is Bangalore and experience criteria is mentioned 6 months. It do means that if you have gone for any kind of internship or you just joined some firm and you have 6 months of experience and would like to shift, then you can apply for that. It's a freshers opening, so your internship experience also will be taken into account. Okay. And mandatory skills will be experience in IT, Linux, and Windows server administration, experience in CID or CD pipeline with Jenkins administration, experience in container concepts, Docker, Kubernetes, experience in creating and troubleshooting VMS, experience in monitoring and logging tools like ELK and Grafana, experience in source code, Git, customer support mindset, good communication skills, good problem solving skills. So there are so much technologies that they are looking forward for as a prerequisites to this job. So they have mentioned like 6 months of experience and is applicable for the freshers too. So you may not be having the wide knowledge on the same. So try to gain some knowledge on all these mandatory skills. So that will help you to get on to this job for sure. Okay. So yeah, that's what I meant. You don't have years of experience in this technology. So you'll be having only basic idea. You can develop that and continue with it. Okay. So this is about the mandatory skills that they are looking. So to apply for this job, you can click on this apply button. As of now, I have logged into the career session, so I'll be directly moving on to the application process. If you have, then you have to. If you don't, then you have to log in. Else, you can create an account and continue with it. Now, this is a details that you will be getting, like your documents, previous employment details. You can give internship, whatever. Then if you certifications and license, if you have any with any technologies, you can give that, your more information, everything. And after next, okay, proceed with the application process. So this is about the opening in Capgemini. So for application process, everything is done. So software engineer freshers job, so it is applicable for 2020 and 2021 pass out students. Okay. So now you can just make use of it. And 2021 students, you may not be having enough experience criteria 6 months, but if you have that knowledge in those many things that they have mentioned, you can apply, because so many students will be taking their internship at the beginning of the final semester itself. So those students for the 2021 batch can also apply it. Okay, so 2022 students will not be having the enough knowledge or enough experience criteria to apply. So this job opening is for 2020 and 21 students. Okay, and now coming to the package details, you can expect up to 4 plus LPS for sure. This is a core job and the company is well known as well. So this is about the details about the Capgemini opening right now available. So I think all the jobs that I have explained today is very much clear to you. If you have any further doubts, please do mention in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up with another video regarding the opportunities available, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.